start. We are also fortified in our conclusion while tracing the evolution of the rules pertaining to the recruitment of sub-inspector staff. The recruitment rules came to be amended on 3 December 2015. Stop. The selections have been made pursuant to the amended rules. Stop. Sub-clause within bracket B of Rule 15 provides that candidates failing to obtain 50% marks in each of the subjects shall not be eligible for recruitment. Stop. The same phrase was employed in subclass within bracket E of Rule 15 that came to be amended. Stop. In other words, eligibility criteria was not altered or changed by rule making authority. Stop. The only change brought about by the amendment was that the procedure for written examination was entrusted upon the selection board exclusively by omitting Appendix 3, which prescribed the procedure of written examination. Stop. We are informed that the superseded rule bracket prior to enactment of recruitment rules bracket clause governing the appointment and selection of sub-inspector viz. The Uttar Pradesh sub-inspector and inspector bracket civil police bracket close service rules 2008 rule 15 within bracket F provided that the candidate who fails to obtain minimum 50% marks in each subject shall not be eligible for recruitment. Stop para. It is thus evident that the rule-making authority was fully conscious that the candidates are required to score minimum marks within bracket 50%, failing which they shall not be eligible for recruitment. Stop. The eligibility criteria was retained while promulgating recruitment rules. Stop. The selection board was not conferred the power and jurisdiction by the rule making authority to alter or amend the eligibility criteria. Stop. The selection board by the amended rules was vested with exclusive but limited power to determine the procedure of the written examination, which includes evaluation of papers by adopting method of scaling to equalize the different levels of papers in examination held in multiple shifts and accordingly draw the select list. Stop. We accordingly find merit in the contention of the petitioners that selection board exceeded its authority by disqualifying the petitioners. Stop para. Normalization of marks therefore means increasing and oblique or decreasing the marks obtained by students in different timing seasons oblique sessions bracket shifts bracket close to a certain number. Stop. In statistics, the term normalization refers to the scaling down of the data set such that the normalized data falls in the range between 0 and 1. Stop. Such normalization techniques help in comparing corresponding normalized values from two or more different data sets in a way that it eliminates the effects of the variation in the scale of the data sets. That is, a data set with large values can be easily compared with a data set of smaller values. Stop. The normalized score oblique percentile is obtained by applying a formula. Stop. Percentiles, however, should not be confused with percentage. Stop. The latter is used to express fractions of a whole, while percentiles are the values below which a certain percentage of the data in a data set is found over